How's it going, friends? Today I'm bringing you this Whirlpool brand washing machine. It's a washer-dryer combo, but it's the small model. There are two models, one large and one small. So this washing machine is sliding when it spins. It washes well, but when it comes time to drain the water, it drains it, but the drum doesn't spin, meaning it doesn't dry the clothes. So for that, we're going to have to open up this slanted cover here, which has two Phillips screws that we need to remove, and then access two screws in the back that secure the top part, okay? So once these two 5/16 screws are removed, we lift it up a bit so we can disconnect the door switch, which is this one right here, and that's it. Now we have to remove the front cover, which also has two 5/16 hex head screws, and this one right here. So we can take out the motor and the transmission to see what's going on. So down here at the bottom we have that plate. You can see the silver one there, a bit hidden under the black part. Okay, and that's where the piece that's sliding is located. So we tilt the washing machine to be able to lower all of this, okay? This is the pump, and here is the metal plate. That plate rarely gets damaged. What actually gets damaged are the pads, okay? It's basically a pad like a car brake, but in this case, it's so that it can grip that part, okay? So here you can see that the golden button is flush with the white part, and it can't be like that. It has to be like this new one. The button has to be a little more recessed than the pad itself, okay? Also, this pad has two little teeth, which are these right here, and those teeth have to go on the bottom side, otherwise you'll have problems. So you put, this is called a clutch, or brake depending. You put the spring in the middle, and that spring has to be compressed or pressed with pliers like this, and that's it. Now all that's left is to lift the transmission, secure it with its 3/2-inch hex screws, which are these right here. There are only 3, and it immediately fits into place, okay? So once this is done, all that's left is to put the motor back in its place. It's this one right here. It's secured with 2 metal plates, which are these right here. So be very careful not to lose this piece, because otherwise you won't be able to secure the motor, okay? It's beautiful how it's secured, the way they used to do it before. So now all that's left is to finish putting back the screws and covers we removed and put this washing machine back in its place. We're also going to put the agitator back and tighten the 7/16 screw right here. That's the first thing we have to remove before the transmission, okay? So we put the agitator in place, and now all that's left is to test this machine. Look at how well it's working. So let's set it to wash and spin again. Well, friends, that's all for this video. We'll be back with much more information.